Hello everyone, warm greetings to all of you. I am Ananya R, Women Techmaker Ambassador from Trivandrum, and here with me I have Padma Priya.
Hi everyone, I am Padmapriya. I am a WTM ambassador for Madurai and I am working as a software test analyst in GeeksApp. Today is the fourth day and the final day of our IWD India celebration. I am pretty sure that you all might have really enjoyed a lot on these 4 days.
Me and Padma Priya have come up with yet another interesting activity for you all with today's icebreaker session. Both of us will be communicating with you through the comment box, so get ready, be active. So, before starting, let's do some warm up. Can we just see few hands up to just simply know what you're feeling now? Feeling good, happy, excited, learning so much, etc. So, come on, quick. Let's see the comments how you're feeling now. Yeah, I'm
Let's
getting
move.
so many comments.
Okay, that's great. Let's move on to the warm up activity. We hope you all like numbers, but don't worry, this is not our actual activity. The interesting one is yet to come. Before that, let's do this and be ready.
Yes, the game is very simple. We'll just show up two puzzles and we'll give you quite some time, maybe 30 seconds. And if you get the answers, do share it in your comment box.
Yeah. We will move to the first puzzle. The question is, if we move the dice to the point where there is a red arrow, what will be the number on the top?
Okay, let me see the answers coming up. It's a dice. You will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me see the answers. Any guesses? Yeah, I'm getting answers. Okay, Padma Priya, can we see the answer?
Yes, Ananya.
Yeah, there are so many answers coming up. Yes, the answer is 3. So many have commented 3. Ravi, Harika, Gopika, so many have commented 3. So many of you will be wondering how it is 3. So we'll know that the sum of the two digits in the opposite side of the dice is 7. So when it is 4 coming, the 3 on the top and the answer is 3. So let's move on to the next puzzle, Padma Priya.
Okay. The next puzzle question is, view the blocks on the left from the orange point and direction of the arrow. Which image on the right is the correct view?
Yeah. So we have A, B, C, and D. So comment your thoughts. Which one it will be? If it is wrong also, no problem. Comment your thoughts. Is it A, B, or C, or D? From the right in the correct view. I can see answers coming up. Yes. Yes, D, D, D. Yeah, everybody have commented it correctly. So can we see the answers?
Yes.
Yes, answer is D. So you might be thinking how it is D. So we'll give you an explanation. So when we start at the orange spot and look at the blocks, there are 4 blocks at the base and there are 2 blocks on the right on the top floor. This eliminates the option C and we have 3 more options. So if we go up one more floor, we see only the second block on the right. So hence it is answer C, answer D. Okay, it's really good to see the answers come up and you are very enthusiastic and so active. Now, can we move on to the actual real activity? Yes, it's the connection game or decrypting game.
Yes. Let me read out the instructions to play the connection game. There will be 5 questions to you. We will tell you what you are going to find by seeing the images. Example, the answer which you are going to find is maybe an actor or leader or inventor, whatever. For the first 3 questions, there will be a common connection between two images. For the remaining 2 questions, you have to connect the pictures to form a word. Please use the chat box to share your answer.
So,
We
are
will
you
move.
all okay? So, first slide, Padma Priya.
Okay.
So this one is very simple. Here there is two images and there is some connection between them. And the one clue is it's a part of a website. We can give you another one clue also. You can join the two words of these pictures and get the answer. Can we see some answers coming up? It's very simple. Yeah, Sahil homepage. Yes, Avani homepage. Yeah, so many correct answers are coming. Yeah, we are very happy for that. Yes, Padmapriya, can we see the answer?
Yeah.
Yes, it's home page. So it's very simple. Now let's move on to the next question.
Yes. There is a common connection between these two images, which leads to a part of computer.
So now it's the second question. This is also very simple like the first one. Yes, motherboard, correct. Yes. Everybody have commented it correctly. The first picture shows a mother with a baby and the second picture shows it's a board. So while joining, we'll get it as motherboard. It's very easy. It's a part of a computer.
Now the game is going to be a bit harder. So let's move on to our next connection. There is a common connection between these two images, which leads to a person.
And this is not like the first one. You can't get the answers by joining the two words. There is some connection between these two pictures and you have to get the answer which will leads to a person. Can we see some answers coming up? I think they need a clue. It's a bit harder. So Padmapriya, can we have the two clues?
Yes.
Yeah, God, Selisa have messaged as Sarojini Naidu. Okay, let's see others also. Yeah, Twitter. Okay. So the clue is a proponent of civil rights, women's emancipation, and the person is an Indian political activist. Can we have more answers? Yes, Mini, Sultan, Abhishek, they are all commenting it. Okay, so Padmapriya, can you tell the answer?
Yeah, I know it is a bit tough to find answer for these questions, but the answer is Sarojini Naidu. The first image represents Nightingale bird and the second image represents the writer. Sarojini Naidu earned a name as a Nightingale of India by Mahatma Gandhiji, and also she is a writer. Now we will move to the next connection.
Yeah, everybody have did it awesome. So everybody is very active. So this is the next one. Here we have the next connection game. There is a bird and a rocket is shown there and there is some connection between them. And this connection will also leads to a person. Okay, let's see the answer. Come on, people. Yeah, Uttam Kini is commenting. Great. Great going. Come on, people. Do you need a clue? Okay, Padmapriya, let's have a clue.
Okay. The first clue is the bird name is Falcon, and the second clue is SpaceX.
Yes, so many people are messaging. Varsha, Vedant, Yukti. Yes, can we see the answer, Padmapriya?
Yes, Ananya.
Yes, the answer is Elon Musk. All are actively participating it. We are very happy to know that and hope you might have seen today's Twitter, social media, current affairs that today they have launched this with the SpaceX and NASA. You all might have seen that, right? This post. Today morning, they have sent, NASA and SpaceX have sent 2 astronauts. Okay, we'll move on to the next question.
Okay. This is our next connection and the final connection. There is a person who was its inventor and what he found was related to social media platform.
Okay, can we see the answer? It's very simple because all of us are doing tweets in Instagram and social media. Every time we are using this. It's a very simple one. Should I make it easy for you? Okay, let me make this easy for you. The person's name is Chris Messina. Can we have few more answers now? Twitter board. Person's name is Chris Messina. Chris Messina has founded something related with Twitter. We always use this while posting everything. Twitter. Can we have more answers? Okay, I think Padmapriya, can you please tell the answer? Please show the answer.
Yes, Ananya.
Yes, hashtag. I saw Varsha telling correct answer. It's the hashtag. We always use hashtags. So Chris Messina found the hashtag in 2007 while he was tweeting his first tweet, hashtag found in the Twitter. So we hope you had a great time in solving these puzzles. Padmapriya and me enjoyed putting this together for you. And we are very happy that so many answers came up, very actively participating and very enthusiastic participants too. Hope you have a great rest of the afternoon. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ananya, and thank you, everyone.